This kind of question I've got here is, these are linear equations and we need to solve for x, but you can see up there that x appears more than once. No biggie. What we just need to do is we need to expand if necessary and then collect like terms. So let's do that now. The first question is 2 multiplied by 3x plus 2, subtract x equals negative 6. So the first thing I need to do is expand the brackets by multiplying what's outside the bracket by what's inside the bracket. So 2 is going to be multiplied by 3x and 2 is going to be multiplied by 2. I always draw the arrows in to help me keep track of what I'm doing. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 3x is 6x, 2 times 2 is 4, minus x equals negative 6. As I mentioned before, now I need to collect like terms. Like terms have the same pronumeral in them. The pronumeral here is x. So I've got the term 6x and the term negative 1x. So 6x take 1x is 5x. I've still got the plus 4, don't forget that. And it's still equal to negative 6. Now I just solve this like any other simple linear equation. I'm going to get rid of that 4 first because it's the last thing to happen. Okay, 5 times x plus 4. So I'm going to subtract 4 from here, subtract 4 from there, and I'm left with 5x being equal to negative 10. I should be able to solve that by inspection if I'm a maths teacher, and if I'm a student, I should be able to solve it by inspection too. So 5x is equal to negative 10. 5 times 2 is 10. So 5 times negative 2 must be negative 10. X is equal to negative 2. Over here on the right, might look a bit more complicated than here. It's not really, it's just that there's 2 sets of expansions to do, and I can do them at the same time. So I've got 4 times 5x, which is 20x. I've got 4 times negative 3, which is negative 12. Then I've got negative 3 times 2x, negative 6x. And negative 3, I'll just write that in, negative 3 times negative 5, which is positive 15, or being equal to 17. You can probably imagine the major pitfall here is again with negative numbers. So again, I've mentioned this before, if you see any term in an algebraic expression or equation or whatever, the sign in front of that term belongs to that term and you must use it whenever you're doing something with that term. So negative, that negative belongs to that 3. So negative 3 times 2x, negative 3 times negative 5, and you need to get straight. 2 negatives multiplied together make a positive. Okay, it's not hard. Right, next I need to collect like terms. I've got 20x here and negative 6x here. 20x take 6x is positive 14x. Negative 12 plus 15, the same as 15 take 12, is 3. And that's equal to 17. Then I solve, I get that 3 and I subtract from both sides. So 14x equals 14, therefore x equals 1. All right, I hope that's pretty straightforward. We'll do some trickier ones in the next video.